You know this moment. You are standing somewhere normal, maybe at a bus stop, maybe in a coffee shop, maybe in a supermarket. A stranger is near you. They smile. They look friendly. They say something simple. Hi, how's it going? And suddenly your English leaves the building. Not slowly, it runs away, like a cat after hearing a vacuum cleaner. You know English. You know words. You watched videos. You practiced. You even said one beautiful sentence in your room yesterday. Very strong, very brave, very alone. But now, a real person is here. A stranger, a living human, with eyes, with ears, with the power to answer back. Terrifying. So your brain starts working too hard. What should I say? Is fine too boring? Should I ask something back? What if they speak fast? What if I don't understand? What if I smile too much and look like a strange happy potato? And while your brain is doing a full meeting, the stranger is waiting. So you say, good. Then silence. A large silence. A silence with furniture. Listen, talking to strangers in English feels scary because it is real. It is not a lesson. It is not a test. It is not an app. There's no pause button on a human. You cannot click repeat slowly. Well, you can ask, but you know what I mean. But here is the good news. You do not need perfect English to talk to strangers. You need small, friendly English. That is all. Not big words, not long sentences, not grammar gymnastics. Just simple phrases that keep the moment alive. The first rule is this. Do not try to be interesting first. Try to be easy. Easy to talk to. Easy to understand. Easy to answer. That is much better. For example, if someone says, "Hi, how's it going?" you can say, "Good, thanks. How about you?" That is enough. Really. You do not need to tell your full life story. Nobody at the bus stop needs chapter 1. If you are in a coffee shop, you can say, "This place is nice." Or, "I like the coffee here." Or, "It's busy today." Simple, normal, human. If you are waiting somewhere, you can say, "Long line, right?" Or, "Is this the line?" Or, "Do you know what time it opens?" These are small doors. A stranger can walk through them, or not. Both are fine. This is important. Not every small talk becomes a conversation. Sometimes you say one sentence, they answer, and that is the end. Good. You survived. The English dragon did not eat you. The goal is not to make a best friend next to the tomatoes. The goal is to practice one real moment, one sentence, one answer, one small human connection. Now, what if you don't understand? This is where many learners panic. A stranger says something fast and your brain hears, "Ba ba bell coffee, ba 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 weather, ba ba bell yesterday." Beautiful music, no meaning. Do not panic. Use a rescue phrase. Say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Sorry, I'm still learning English." Or, "Can you speak a little slower, please?" These phrases are not weak, they are smart. Native speakers ask again too. Cafes are loud, streets are loud, people are fast, life has bad audio. And if you forget a word, use a smaller word. If you don't know crowded, say many people. If you don't know delicious, say really good. If you don't know expensive, say too much money. Is it perfect? No. Is it clear? Yes. And clear wins. Also, smile a little, not like a movie villain, just normal. A small smile tells people, "I am friendly. I am not fighting you. I am just trying to speak English and stay alive." Your body helps your English. If your face is closed, your words feel heavy. If your body is open, your simple English feels warmer. Here is a tiny system. When you talk to a stranger, use 3 steps. 1. Start with the place. This cafe is nice. This line is long. It's cold today. 2. Ask a small question. Do you come here often? Is this seat free? Do you know where the bus stops? 3. End politely. Thanks. Have a nice day. Nice talking to you. That is it. Start, ask, end, small, clean, safe. Let's make a simple scene. You are in a cafe. Someone is waiting near you. You say, "It's busy today." They say, "Yeah, very busy." You say, "Do you come here often?" They say, "Sometimes." The coffee is good. You say, "Nice. I'm still learning English, so small conversations help me." They smile. Maybe they say, "You're doing great." And boom, you just had a real English moment. No fireworks, no golden grammar crown, but it counts. Talking to strangers is not about being perfect. It is about being brave for 10 seconds. That is the secret. Most conversations start with 10 seconds of courage. After that, it gets easier. So try this today or tomorrow. Say one small sentence to a stranger. Not a big speech, just one sentence. Is this seat free? Nice weather today. This coffee smells good. Long line, right? Then breathe. If they answer, great. If they don't, also great. You practiced. You moved. You used English in real life. Go to the comments and write one simple sentence. Today, I will talk to one stranger. Or, I can start small. That comment is your first step. Remember, you do not need perfect English to talk to strangers. You need friendly English, simple English, moving English, a smile, a small question, and a little courage. Just 10 seconds. You can do 10 seconds. Keep going.